When it comes to sales and service and support and technical assistance, I just can't imagine anybody doing a better job than Cold Jet has for me. My name is Chris Young. I started Sano Blast Restoration about 4 years ago, doing dry ice blasting with my Cold Jet PCS 60. I focus mainly in the automotive sector of dry ice blasting, but I also have some commercial contracts where I get into other types of blasting as well. All right, we're about to get started cleaning on this car and running into a little bit of a snag to start with. Always I pull the wheels off. Unfortunately, the wheel locks for this car are not in the car. We're waiting on those to get delivered, so we might end up shooting this video with the wheels on. That is not normal, but that's what we're doing.
My name's Adam Patali, and I'm the founder and the chief detailer at adamspolishes.com. So the dry ice cleaning was actually introduced to me at the Boise Roadster show. They were just showing before and afters of some parts that had been cleaned with the ice blast machine, and I was like, that's amazing. I found out about Chris and Sano Blast from a fellow collector who had had his car done by Chris, and his head was blown. He could not believe the outcome on the belly of his old Porsche.
Cold Jet's machine gives me a lot of versatility in what I can do. Things that you would think dry ice would just turn brittle and puncture, it doesn't damage that stuff as long as I'm using the machine correctly. If you don't have a machine with true particle control like the PCS 60 does, if you don't have a machine that can precisely do it consistently, then you're risking damage. The beauty in that machine is that it's been incredibly reliable and it's just super functional for me. The one time that I did have to wait for parts, it was only 24 hours, and I had parts in my hands and guidance as to how to install those parts on video conference, and I was back up and running that very next day.